Hey everyone! Welcome back to Watch Unboxing, your go-to channel for all things horology. Today we're diving into a fantastic timepiece that offers incredible value for money, the PaganiDesign PD-1707. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into it. PD-1707 Chronograph Quartz watch is an homage to the iconic Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. This watch has been making waves for its remarkable features and stylish design, often seen on the wrists of celebrities. You know, this watch was a special wedding gift at Anant Ambani's wedding for 25 selected guests. This watch, priced at over 3 crore, has also been spotted on the wrists of cricket stars like Sachin Tendulkar and Rohit Sharma when they collect winning trophies. Bollywood and Tollywood actors have also been seen sporting this stylish timepiece. Let's face it, most of us can't afford the original Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, but the PaganiDesign PD-1707 offers a similar look and feel at a fraction of the cost. It's a perfect homage watch for those who appreciate style and quality. First off, this watch is powered by a Japanese VK63 quartz chronograph movement. Quartz movements are known for their accuracy and low maintenance requirements, making them ideal for everyday wear. The chronograph function allows you to use the watch as a stopwatch, measuring elapsed time precisely. The dial is protected by a sapphire crystal, which is both durable and scratch-resistant. This ensures that the watch face remains clear and legible over time. The blue tapisserie dial pattern adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, reminiscent of luxury timepieces. The case diameter is 40 mm, with a lug-to-lug length of 46 mm and a case thickness of 11 mm. The bracelet width is 25 mm, and the watch weighs around 163 grams. The case body is made of 316L stainless steel grade, featuring a tonneau shape and an octagonal bezel with 8 visible hexagonal screws. The entire body and bracelet are brushed finished, with a glass shining finish on the bezel's outer area that looks awesome. Another notable feature is its water resistance. The PD-1707 has a rating of 200 meters or 20 ATM, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and other water-related activities. However, it's not ideal for deep-sea diving. The screw-down crown and pushers protect against accidental water exposure. In addition to its chronograph function, the watch includes a date display and several subdials. The 3 o'clock window shows 24 hours, the 6 o'clock window measures minutes, and the 9 o'clock window tracks hours. Just look at its main second hand for the stopwatch function on it. To start the stopwatch, just push this pusher, and to stop it, push again. To reset it, push this pusher. Although it's a traditional chronograph watch that offers various timekeeping features, the tachymeter scale on the dial allows you to measure speed based on time traveled over a fixed distance. The watch also features luminous hands and markers, allowing you to read the time in low light conditions. This is especially useful for activities like diving or nighttime use. The integrated bracelet is made of 316L stainless steel and comes with a butterfly clasp, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit on your wrist. On the wrist, the PD-1707 feels solid and looks stunning. It's versatile enough to be worn with a suit or with casual attire, making it a great addition to any watch collection. In summary, the PaganiDesign PD-1707 offers an incredible blend of style, functionality, and affordability. It's a testament to how far the watch industry has come, providing quality timepieces at a fraction of the cost of high-end brands. So, what do you think about the PaganiDesign PD-1707? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews and horology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And keep tikiing.